Let's see if this works. So I'm sorry, Rayo, but it's for your own good. No, do not pull me. I'm tired of that. Come here, with me. Thank you. Thank you. Finally. Okay. I know it's a little uncomfortable, but it's for your good. Let's follow Panda. He knows the way. Vamos a una vuelta alrededor. Let's go. Okay, he can pull al parecer. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit different when I'm not really sure if it's gonna hold him really good, like when he gets scared or something like that. Anda. Yeah, but it's a little cold outside right now. I think he can take. I mean, he can take the leash off by himself, but I'm not really sure yet. I need to do some tests before I take him again to the park and see if he obey me. But at least it's better than before. He do not pull me. My back is good. I'm feeling good. So I think it's worth a try this type of leash. I don't think it's hurting him. I got it from Walmart, like $15 for it. I got the large size. So yeah, let's take this to the trash.